Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the spherical coordinate system. In the spherical coordinate system, point is assumed on the surface of the sphere as shown in the figure. There are three axes x, y and z, and a sphere and a point P is mentioned, which is at the distance r from the origin. So r is the perpendicular distance of the point from the origin. R is also called as the radius of the sphere, and it is the perpendicular distance from the center, and the value of R is from 0 to infinity. So it is from 0 to infinity. 0 is included but infinity is excluded. Now we talk about the phi. Phi is called as azimuthal angle, which is same as the cylindrical coordinate system. Phi is the angle with respect to x-axis. So as we are observing, this is the horizontal circle which will be formed in the sphere, and the phi is the angle with the x-axis. So phi is same as in the cylindrical coordinate system, and phi is varying from 0 to 2 pi. 0 is included but 2 pi is excluded. Phi is the angle of OP with the x-axis. Now we talk about the theta. Theta is elevation angle, and theta is measured from z-axis. As we are observing here, and theta is equal to constant surface, it is making a cone. Theta is equal to constant surface always makes a cone, as it is observed here. So these are the different cones which corresponds to theta is equal to constant surface. So theta is measured from the z-axis. It is called as elevation angle, and theta is varying from 0 degree to 180 degree. So theta always varies from 0 degree to 180 degree, or in radian it varies from 0 to pi. So theta is constant surface. It is a conical surface. As an example, let theta is 30 degrees, so it will make a cone as shown in the figure. So it is a conical surface. Now we talk about what is the different relationship between the parameters. So when we talk about rho, so rho is equal to r sine theta as shown in the figure. This is the point. So this distance is r and this distance is rho. So this is a right angle triangle here, and from this right angle triangle we can observe that rho is equal to r sine theta. Now AR, A theta and A phi, they are perpendicular vectors, so their dot products will be 0 always, and this is called as orthogonality. So AR vector is in this direction, and A theta vector is in this direction. So their angle is 90 degree. So this dot product is 0. And let me talk about orthonormality or right hand rule. So AR cross A theta, it is A phi. A theta cross A phi, it is AR, and A phi cross AR, it is A theta. So here we make the relationship between cylindrical spherical system and spherical coordinate system. So rho is equal to r sine theta, phi is equal to phi, no change in the cylindrical and spherical, and z, it is equal to r cos theta. And when we talk about the relationship between x, y, and z and r theta phi, so the value of x, it is r sine theta cos phi, the value of y, it is r sine theta sin phi, and the value of z, it is r cos theta. As it is clear from this figure, when we project the OP length on the xy plane, so this is the length r sine theta, and when we take this triangle here, then this is a right angle triangle, and from here we can get the value of x, which is equal to r sine theta cos phi, and the value of y, we can get from this triangle which is equal to r sine theta sine phi. So this is the relationship between x, y, z and r theta phi. When we calculate x square plus y square plus z square, then we will solve it r square sine square theta cos square phi plus r square sine square theta sine square phi plus r square cos square theta. When we simplify it, then we get the value r square, and the value of r, it is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. So the value of y, which is equal to r sine theta sine phi, and the value of x, which is equal to r sine theta cos phi, when we divide these two, so y by x, it is equal to 10 phi, and the value of phi from here, it is tan inverse of y by x, which is same as in the cylindrical coordinate system. The value of z, which is equal to r cos theta, so theta is cos inverse of z by r, so the value of theta, it is cos inverse z by under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now we talk about the differential length vector in the spherical coordinate system. So dl vector, here it is dr ar plus r d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi. Because the r variation is linear, but when theta varies, then we take this variation, and this the arc variation is r d theta. The formula is angle is equal to arc upon radius. So when phi varies with the small segment, then the variation is counted as r sin theta d phi. So dl vector is dr ar plus r d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi. Now we talk about the differential surface vector. In the differential surface vector, we will take r is equal to constant surface, which is the outermost curved surface. So for this surface, theta and phi will vary. As an example, for Earth, the center is 6400 km from the surface of the Earth. Then surface, any point is present that they will be at the same radius from the center. So outermost area of a sphere is taken as r is equal to constant surface. So when r is constant, so ds vector, it is equal to r d theta into r sin theta d phi ar vector, and ds vector is r square sin theta d phi ar vector. Next is theta is equal to constant surface. It is a conical surface as we discussed earlier. So r and phi will vary. So here for this surface, r and phi will vary. So ds vector, r variation is dr and phi variation is r sin theta d phi a theta. So this is the variation in the ds vector. This is the ds vector for theta is equal to constant surface. And phi is equal to constant surface. It is semi-infinite plane. So here r and theta will vary, and the variation of r, it is dr, and the variation of theta, it is r d theta, and the direction is a phi. So ds vector is dr into r d theta a phi, and differential volume, it is dv, it is dr into r d theta into r sin theta d phi. So the differential volume, it is r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. We can also calculate the total volume, and it is equal to triple integration of dv. So it is r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. So this answer, when we solve it, when we integrate it, so this answer comes as 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you for watching the video.